What if I told you you can check how healthy your lungs are in just 1 minute, right at home? No machines, no blood tests, just your breath. As a doctor, I'll show you a simple test, but also explain what science says about it. This is called the breath holding test. Latest research have found that breath holding time can reflect your respiratory strength, and it can be improved with training and exercise. So let's try it. First, sit comfortably, relax your body, and breathe normally for a few seconds. Now, take 5 deep breaths in and out. Now take a deep breath in and hold it. Start a timer the moment you hold your breath. Hold it as long as you comfortably can, don't force it. And stop when you feel the need to breathe. Now, let's understand your result. If breath holding time is less than 20 seconds, your lungs are weak lungs. It can be due to some underlying lung disease like asthma, COPD, any other lung disease, or could be due to smoking or obesity. If breath holding time is 20 to 35 seconds, these are called average lungs. Although it comes under safe zone, but still, you need to take lifestyle measures like regular exercise or jogging. If your score is 35 to 50 seconds, these are called healthy lungs. And if score is more than 50 seconds, these are called athlete or excellent lungs. And if your score is less than 15 seconds, you should consult your healthcare provider immediately for evaluation. Don't be panicked if your result isn't perfect. Instead, use it as a signal. Because the good news is, your lungs can improve. Simple habits can make a big difference. Regular walking or exercise improves lung efficiency. Deep breathing exercises increase oxygen capacity. And avoiding smoking protects your lung tissue. Your lungs are working every second of your life. Make sure you take care of them. Hold your breath and write your time in comments below, and subscribe this channel for more simple, science-based health tips.